today. Me and Mike have a road trip ahead of us as well today. So this is going to be fun. Just over here getting Dalton. I'm not going to show their place obviously because of respect. But we got Brett as well.
Yeah.
Our boy. And we're doing a road trip today.
Road trip with Ray.
Road trip with fucking gays. So yeah, if anything interesting happens because it's blizzarding as shit outside, you know what I'll do. We're here at the shop because this fucker.
Where's that restaurant?
It is where it is. Which one? This one right here? Fucking blind bat. Fuck. It's gotta replace his battery because this is the original fucking Korean battery. And it's been having some issues starting.
Fuck yeah.
So,
fuck off.
just putting a new battery in there. And I got my subs working and it's fucking loud as shit. Like, fucking ears piercing. So, yeah, gotta get some shit. Put some keys in some shit. Do some shit. Fuck some shit. Rhymes. Such a beautiful, beautiful day out today. A little bit warmer than the past couple of days, but it's supposed to get back up to minus 40. So, coming back, this is a different day than yesterday. There was nothing. There was nothing too exciting that happened yesterday. Coming back from Lloyd with Dalton and Brett and them. So, yeah. Gotta go to, just coming back right now from PA, going home, and then going to North Battleford, and then Regina tomorrow. So, yeah, it's a busy. So I got another nice night driving home. It's like, you can barely see out there. But this vehicle came with a radar detector. And I bought it off Mike. So I'm going to have to probably put that in my Jimmy tomorrow. Before I go to hockey and everything. So, yeah, I'm actually pretty excited for that just because I've been wanting a radar detector for some time now and getting stuff with these vehicles. Mike sells everything out of them pretty cheap and that's already, it saved me out one ticket coming home already, so it's worth it. It's not really a great brand, it's just a Cobra and they're not really known that great, so I mean whatever, you know, it's 40 bucks. If it saves me out of some tickets, like I just did one, so it's already paid. Whoa, I just burped up shit. Wow, that was horrible. But yeah, so gonna get a different one in the future, obviously. But for right now, that's it. So, yeah, fucking clean up. That fucking bitch. Well, I am going to eat this gourmet meal and continue watching One Pug Life, edit this video, and then go to bed because I have an early morning tomorrow, and me and my buddy and Dalton are going to Regina. So yeah, see you guys on Friday's vlog. Peace out.